in San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Comal County, Central Travis County, Central Guadalupe County, Western Caldwell County, Central Hays County, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area, which extends from near Dripping Springs and Marion to near Rolling Wood and Scene. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen near Driftwood and Wimmerly, with even higher amounts of almost 6 inches reported 5 miles south-southwest of Dripping Springs. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly, and significant rises are expected to begin moving down the Blanco River, Onion Creek, and Barton Creek. Some locations that will experience flooding include Boston, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Scene, Wimmerly, Dripping Springs, Tanglewood Forest, Anderson Mill, Kyle, Buda, Cave, West Lake Hills, Rollingwood, Martindale, Ulland, Niederwald, New Berlin, Bear Creek, Staples, and Barton Creek. Be especially cautious in low-light situations when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Creeks, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Your local forecast. Flash flood